I mean, we've all felt it. We've all felt like we're just going through the motions before. Looking around in our lives at the people we're surrounded with, at our jobs, at our homes, and we end up wondering where we fit into this life that we've built for ourselves. In the midst of the noise and the chaos of life, it's really easy to lose touch with our emotions. To shut down and compromise on all of the things that used to light us up. But what happened to the joy, the play, and the excitement for life itself? Life hits hard. Over and over again we are faced with challenges. It's no wonder we numb out just to cope or to survive. We are willing to compromise on a lot in order to stay comfortable. Who could blame us? Showing up fully means we have to risk being hurt again, which is truly scary. But we all know this. We know the risks that come with showing up fully in our own lives. The question is, can we show up for ourselves again, despite that risk? Can we be okay with being uncomfortable? Is there a way back to that joy, a path that leads back to our hearts, to our essence, to a life worth living? How do we break out of our heads and back into our hearts? This is rewilding, making room in our lives and in our own beings to let ourselves feel the risky emotions. Without opening ourselves up to feeling the sadness and the pain, we will never have an opportunity to reconnect to our joy and to our excitement. Being in nature allows us to realize how connected we are to the natural world around us. Nature begins to lead us back to a place where we can express, feel, and be free in our full human expression, reclaiming our own spark. There is a way back, and it begins with a journey inward. We need to be brave enough to face, move through, and work with uncomfortable emotions and experiences. Our wildest dreams and the more beautiful world that we all imagine is just outside of our own comfort zones. Find space to breathe, to listen to the whispers of the wind and the wisdom of the trees. To let go of the numbness and embrace the full spectrum of your human potential and spark. Take a step towards healing, towards feeling fully alive, towards the vibrant, authentic life you deserve to be living. That your heart knows is yours to create and partake in. Show up for yourself. Once upon a mushroom, return of the inner child, where rewilding meets renewal. Because sometimes the best way forward is to return to our roots. Ready to reconnect with your heart and nature? Visit our website or contact us today to start your journey back to yourself. Once upon a mushroom, rewilding, renewal, reconnection.